Now, in most of the cases, what happens is when we create certain classes, okay, if we have to use from other projects, we either have to copy that class or we have to write a fresh class. Okay, in order to avoid that, what we can do is, say first we'll take a new project. Say for example, let me call this arithmetic. Okay. It's a simple class of arithmetic. Now what I want to do is I want to use this class from various other projects. Okay, and I want to I do not want the code to be distributed. So for instance, if I am developing a project for the client, okay, I will not be giving him the code. Okay, so I want to develop a code and want to make it reusable. So when you start up with the reusable, one of the better things that needs to be done is first make the class as public. Okay, eliminate the main. Okay, because this is just a class which you will be using from other projects. Okay, so there should not be any main. Just change the name of the class so to something meaningful. Okay, though it is not necessary, I still prefer that your file name be same as your class name. This is mandatory in Java, however that is not mandatory in the case of C#. Okay, let us define a simple method. Okay, fine. So we have a public class which has got a public method. Okay, now when you try to run this, it's going to show you a message, there was build error. Okay, it will show that does not have a static name. Okay, so project, properties, instead of console application you need to make it as class library. Okay, say okay. Now you cannot execute, this is for execution option. Build and just build the project. So once you build the project, what exactly happens is in your bin debug folder a library will be created by name say arithmetic.dll. Okay, now you have your code ready. You do not have to, you have your code ready. Now you do not have to write the same code ever again. Suppose I want to create a new project. Say new project, console application. Let the name of the project be something like maths or something like that. Okay, here console dot write line enter first number int n1 is equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Let us take one more second number n2 is equal to console dot read line. Now if I want to add them, I'd have to write say n1 is equal to n1 plus n2. But this is a very simple logic. Okay, in real time scenario I might be having complicated equations. Okay, GCDs, LCDs and some quadratic equations to solve. So I already have a library. I want to use that library. How? project, add references. Okay. Click on the browse button. Go to the location where your library is created. That is nothing but in the arithmetic. Build, debug. You can see this DLL file. Just add this DLL file. Once you add this DLL file, in the references you'll see arithmetic. Okay. Now, the namespace is arithmetic. So once you do, you can see the namespace in curly braces. Dot. Class name is operations. Okay. I'll declare one object. Okay. And then I'll write opn dot. You see, add method has appeared over here. Add A and B. Okay. So for inval in 1 comma and 2. Okay, I'll take it and when you execute, okay, so you do not have to be bothered about the code you've already written. You can easily access that particular code. Okay. Not only can we create the files and build it up like that. Showing the summary, it should show the summary also. Okay. Now there are various options which is already available with .NET. What you can do is click on project, add reference. Now we have selected that from the browse mode. Okay. You can go to COM or .NET, and there are various libraries already available. Okay. One of the common libraries is System library, and there are several system libraries which are available with that. One of them is Microsoft Speech Object Library. Okay, this provides various options with regard to text to speech conversion. Okay, we can use it in this fashion. Speech library dot SP voice class, say SPV is equal to, okay, and SP voice, new SPV, SPV dot speak.
Result of add equals 15.
Okay, it's a very good way of So let us make it much more prominent. How? So once you execute,
Enter first number. Enter second number. Result of add equals 186.
okay. So in this way, we can integrate the existing services. On the other hand, while you are developing your project, you can also have the class library open. You can add new method also. You can compile and it will be automatically configured. So I had already had this arithmetic. Okay. Now. Okay. Here I cannot run, just I have to build. Okay. Once you build the arithmetic, this is not automatically loaded. So right click on arithmetic or just say opn dot. You see the subtract method should also appear over here. Okay. So and because now I want to take the result of subtraction also, okay.
Enter first number. Enter second number. Result of add equals 60. Result of subtraction equals 40.
Okay.